Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and I'm jumping right in today. I have some items that I picked up from the thrift store that have been sitting in my garage for a while. These beautiful candle holders, and I'm not sure where I got them, at what thrift store and on what trip, but I'm painting them gold. And I also picked up these extra large pine cones at Dollar Tree. They were red, but that doesn't go with my decor this year, so I'm spray painting them as well. And here we are at the reveal, and don't they look beautiful? Today is day 5 of the Holiday Decor Club's 12 Days of Christmas, and I hope you're enjoying every day with us. Today, I am working on some thrift flips, as you saw in my opening. Now I'm moving on to this beautiful little stool that I picked up and has been sitting in my garage waiting for some love. So today is the day. It came with a green top and the original sticker was $18.99 from Home Goods. So I gave it a coat of black paint, and then I'm coming in with some silver leaf rub and buff. And trust me when I tell you, rub and buff a little bit goes a long way. I don't even use a brush. I put a little bit on my finger, and I'm just touching the raised areas to accent them. And it came out absolutely beautiful. So I hope you're enjoying these thrift flips so far and enjoying the 12 days of Christmas with us. So let me finish up this project while you watch, and I'll show you the reveal at the end. My good friend Tracy was kind enough to send over the additional fabric once she had created the outfits for my Santa collection. So that is what I used to upholster the top of this little stool. Then I reapplied the white fabric backing onto the cushion and then screwed down the base into the cushion. And this came out absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy with it. And yes, honey, my signature color, so you know I love it. And I hope you love it too. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider becoming part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and stay tuned for the reveal.